Now, this grand area that you can see is your living area and open kitchen, which is the 11.6 by 14 square feet का bedroom. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom-most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate platforms, जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और आपको एक inquiry पे आते हैं multiple calls, यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ, जिसकी वजह से आपको पास ऑन होते हैं सारे के सारे बेनिफिट्स. और आज मैं एकता कपूर हाउसी पर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत सैंपल फ्लैट जो कि है ऑफ प्रिस्टीन O2. Now this project has amazing luxurious apartments which you must see from inside. मैं तो देख कर आ चुकी हूँ ऑलरेडी, पर अब बारी है आपकी. चलिए मेरे साथ और मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ ये सैंपल फ्लैट. चले फिर और देखें यहाँ का 1688 स्क्वायर फीट का 4 BHK अपार्टमेंट. ये हमने दरवाजा ओपन कर दिया है. Of course, with your digital door lock, there is going to be a video door phone as well. But let's come inside and check out this house. Now, this is your lobby area, which is a 5 by 5.6 square feet. And because it is right at the entrance of the house, the darwaza khulte hi saath, nobody gets access directly to your house. There's a lobby area. There is this space over here. This abhi in logon ne yahan pe shoe rack banaya hua hai. But there is a space which can be utilized for your shoe racks and storage units. Now, this grand area that you can see is your living area, and this grand area that you can see is your dining area. 12 by 22.7 square feet. That is almost 12 by 23 square feet का ये आ जाएगा आपका living area, जो कि है काफी spacious. और उसके साथ आ जाएगी ये बहुत ज्यादा खूबसूरत balcony जिसकी width is 12 just like your living area and जिसकी depth is 6.5 square feet. The balcony comes covered from 3 sides, and also it has this really one cute thing, and that is this railing. इस railing की जो height है, this is almost more than 5 feet. So because of that, there is great security. अब जब मैं यहाँ आई गई हूँ तो एक काम करते हैं, आप भी यहाँ पर आ जाइए मेरे साथ. और एक चीज नोटिस कर लीजिए कि दिस balcony is attached to the other bedrooms balcony, जिसका एक अलग एरिया यहाँ पे कंसिडर किया गया है, which is 5 by 5 approximately. So it gets divided almost by this small wall over here, but it is a one length balcony that is there for your bedroom and for your balcony, for your living room as well. किचन की तरफ बढ़े. यहाँ से लिविंग रूम से होते हुए हम बढ़ते हैं आपके डाइनिंग एरिया की तरफ. डाइनिंग एरिया है आपका 10.5 बाई 10.8 स्क्वायर फीट का, और एक छोटा सा यहाँ पे पूजा घर के लिए उन्होंने प्रोविजन दिया हुआ है. और ये आ जाता है आपका ओपन किचन, which is of approximately 10.10. To be precise, it's 10 by 9.10, but it is almost 10 by 10. Space and provision for your refrigerators and this quad top. Unlike the other regular granite tops over here, you get a quad top at the kitchen and also a quad sink over here. This is your vegetable sink, and your utensil sink can be placed outside if you want. Your dry balcony is of approximately 5.1 by 8.9 square feet, and it comes with this different kind of a tiling over here. Let's now proceed towards the bedrooms. Now you remember मैंने आपको एक balcony दिखाई थी से लिविंग रूम में से, छोटी सी balcony 5 by 5 की, वो आती है यहाँ से. ये है आपका बेडरूम जो कि है 10 by 13 square feet का. Now because it is placed over here in such a manner, you can actually have it as a study room, as a guest room, or maybe as a workstation as well. So this is the room that comes with a balcony. I would suggest you use it as a workstation because it will have your own personal balcony and your own place to relax. Here it is. It comes with this sliding door. And once you have seen that, I think it's time to proceed towards the rest of this beautiful house over here. यहाँ पर हम आते हैं. यहाँ पर है आपका कॉमन टॉयलेट. यहाँ पर है एक बेडरूम. पहले कॉमन टॉयलेट देख लेते हैं. कॉमन टॉयलेट है आपका 5.2 by 6 square feet का. If you see the flooring नीचे, you will notice that there is this partition for the dry and wet areas, and also designer tiles on the wall. उसी के बाजू में यहाँ पे बाहर एक छोटा सा प्रोविजन दिया हुआ है for your wash basins. And now let's proceed towards the bedroom. This bedroom is of 11 by 13 square feet, and it also has a balcony. Let's go and check it out. Now the balcony is of approximately 6.6 by 4.11 square feet, and it also comes covered from three sides and the same high-tint toughened glass railing. And there's a bathroom attached to it. So this is of 8.1 by 4.11 square feet, and it also comes with designer tiles and a separate provision for the showers. Now, I'm already in love with this house, and if you are too, then you have to very quickly subscribe and register on Housey. ये मैं आपको अचानक क्यों बता रही हूँ? इसलिए क्योंकि Housey पे हम सिर्फ सैंपल फ्लैट टूर्स नहीं करते हैं, हम यहाँ पर आपके लिए करते हैं 360 डिग्री टूर्स, actual location tours, project overviews, pros and cons, and a lot. And to know everything about Housey, all you need to do is just simply click on the link that's mentioned below, because it is absolutely brokerage free. There are a lot many advantages of Housey that you will get to know once you click on that link. So quickly go and do that, and let me take you into the rest of the house over here. Now here we have two identical bedrooms that are located strategically opposite each other. Let's start with this one first. This bedroom is a square bedroom, 13.6 by 13.6, and it comes with a standing balcony right over here. Standing balcony, why am I calling it that? Well, because it is a window, a complete glass window, and उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाती है एक railing which allows protection, and also a sliding door window over here which gives you the feel of a standing balcony. It comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. There's also an attached toilet and wash to this room, which is of approximately 5.5 by 8 square feet, and it comes with these designer tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. And this is the 11.6 by 14 square feet ka bedroom. And here also you have the similar pattern of window that you can see with this grill over here, and a sliding window, the standing balcony concept, and a pre-fitted mosquito net. Now if you're wondering कि यहाँ का attached toilet and wash कहाँ है, तो वो यहाँ पर है right after your walk-in wardrobe. Your walk-in wardrobe, which is of 7.11 by 6.5 square feet, and the attached toilet and wash to your master bedroom, which is of approximately 7.11 by 4.11 square feet, and it also comes with the similar pattern of the partition in the shower that they had provided in the rest of the bathrooms. Now, just like the logo of Pristine says, let's go home, very quickly you have to book your project site visit on Housey so that you can come over here and book your project very soon. Stay tuned to Housey. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project O2 located.
Have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.